Well, hello. We're gonna check the bounce function in the Zoom R-8. With the help of a drum machine, this Alesis RX16, I will record different drum parts in 3 different tracks of the Zoom R-8. And afterwards, using the bounce function, we'll put a mix of the 3 tracks into the track 1, leaving the other tracks free. So I'll start recording a snare and a kick drum on track 6. So let's go. Good. Now, while listening to the previous recorded track, I'll be recording plates on track number 7. Let's try it. Okay, now I have recorded 2 tracks, the 6 and the 7, and now on track number 8 we're gonna be recording another drum part, this time the toms. So let's go. Yes, so now we have 3 tracks recorded with the drums, the 6, 7 and 8, and we're gonna try to mix all those 3 tracks in track 1 with the help of the bounce function to leave all those 3 tracks free to use them later and having the drums on track 1. Let's check it. So now we work a little bit on those 3 tracks to put the levels to our taste, the volume levels of each track, and we check with the master that it's got the right settings for the volume, and also can work a little bit on the equalization of each track and the situation on the stereo field of those 3 tracks. And when we have them ready, we're gonna use the bounce function to mix them on track 1. Let's see this. So yes, I need to work a little bit more on the equalization of each track, the 6, the 7 and the 8. I can use the echo and make sure it will sound more or less alright. So once this is ready, I hit the bounce button, which is this little button I just have clicked now, and we prepare the track 1. I just enable the record. Now it's red, and I also have hit the bounce button, and now when I hit on the record and play, all those 3 tracks will gonna mix in the track 1. Now I'm recording there and mixing them in the track 1. Let's wait a little bit until the mix is done. You can even move the faders if you want while recording. Okay, so now the mix is done in track 1. I put again the track 1 ready to play. We can hear now, yes. The drums are mixed in track 1. So we can use track 6, 7 and 8 to record other things. And we have the drum on track 1. And that's the way to use the bounce in the Zoom R-8. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this helps. Bye.